JMC News. I'm Abhijita. Your degree may no longer be the only thing recruiters look at. Increasingly, employees are checking resumes for something smaller and more specific micro-credentials and digital badges. A micro-credentials is a short, focused certification that proves you have mastered one particular skill and not a whole subject, just one piece of it. Think a course in a data visualization, a module on digital marketing, or a certificate in a specific software tool. Most micro-credential programs work the same way. You enroll in a focused program, complete coursework, or a project-based modules. Prove your competency through an assessment, and then receive a badge or a certificate once you're done. Most take just a few weeks to a few months, and many are self-paced, so you can complete them alongside your regular coursework. Once you complete one, you get a digital badge, essentially a verified shareable image of that achievement. Unlike a line on a resume, a digital badge carries its own metadata. Who issued it, what you had to do to earn it, and evidence of the work behind it. Anyone who clicks on it can see exactly what you learned and how it was assessed, something a plain resume line simply can't show. So what do you actually do with one? Once you have earned it, you can add it directly to your LinkedIn profile, include it in your email signature, or display it in an online portfolio. Some can even be tagged, combined with other credentials to build towards a larger and more recognizable qualification over time. This isn't a niche trend anymore. Recent data shows that over 99% of Indian employers have adopted or are exploring skills based on hiring. 97% are willing to pay higher starting salaries to candidates who hold micro-credentials, particularly in the field like generative AI, cloud computing, data analytics, and software development. Indian higher education institutions are also beginning to integrate micro-credentials into their own programs, offering credit-bearing options aligned with the National Credit Framework under NEP, meaning some of these badges could eventually count towards your degree itself, not just sit alongside for it. For students still building their resumes, the takeaway is simple. A degree gets your foot in the door, but a badge can be what makes a recruiter stop scrolling. In a job market getting more competitive by the year, that small addition next to your name might carry more weight than you would have expected. That's all for today from us. For daily news updates, stay tuned with JMC. Jai Hind.